With the backplate installed, then we put on the housing that fits over the cavity for the cartridge. You'll notice on the housing that there is a hole, a weep hole, and we want to place that weep hole at 6 o'clock. What holds the housing into place is the chromed, what we call a nut. It's not technically a nut, but it is the housing nut that is decorative and will hold everything into place. And what we want you to do is put this on, and then you'll see a logo that's on the bottom that will go at 6 o'clock. Next we have the diverter trim piece itself. You'll notice that there is a longer screw that's on the bottom, in this case for a handle, and then a shorter Allen key that's on the top. As you're looking at this, put that Allen key that's on the bottom at 6 o'clock, and then with a 2mm wrench, tighten them first a little bit on the top, and then a little bit on the bottom. And this might be the second most critical thing that's in this assembly. These Allen keys hold the diverter handle into place. They must be firm when they're installed. If this is not firm when it's put on, then the whole assembly can slip, and instead of having the handle correspond to each one of the functions that's on the plate itself, it could go a little catawampus. So you want to make sure that is in a nice solid position. Now we're going to put in the diverter handle that goes at 6 o'clock itself, and then we have the screw cover cap that goes on the top. It covers the top Allen key, and then we have the cap. In this case, this cap is a pressure fit, and you'll see that the temperature logo is on there. You want to make sure that temperature logo is readable, and that the arrows that are on that go on the top. This valve has got one handle to operate the diverter and the volume control, and then it's got an inner handle to operate the actual temperature. So in this case, when we go to the first function, the hand shower goes on. When we go to the second function, the shower head and the hand shower run at one time. And when we go to the third function, it is the shower head by itself. This unit may be operated either clockwise or counterclockwise.